Asparagus, leave it run. After your asparagus harvest in the spring, you want to leave the plants alone in order for them to grow up and put a lot of top growth on in order for that to absorb the light, the sunlight, to build the root system for the coming year. Next year will be our 4th year with this asparagus, so we'll be able to harvest all the fronds and spheres that are coming up out of the ground. It's fall now. There's one thing you have to do now in order to ensure a more healthier asparagus crop next spring, and that is to trim the asparagus back. Now we've got all this asparagus here. We've got female and male plants. The red pods on this plant are true seeds in which we could save and start more plants from seed if you so choose to. You need male and female for that to occur. So we're not going to do that, but we will trim the asparagus back. Now down here, I'll do it right here. We've got PVC pipe to identify where the plant is at. So I'm just going to raise that up and cut it ground level, the plant, and get rid of it and compost it. The reason being is, if you do not do this, this is a perfect habitation for the asparagus beetle to overwinter and disrupt your crop the next spring by laying eggs and having a whole lot of other issues with it. So by getting rid of the top growth in the fall, that will greatly reduce your chances of getting the asparagus beetle next spring.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.